guys, it's now the 26th of June 1998. By the 26th of June 2002, the Coldplay, or the band, whatever they're called then, will be known just all over, man. We're so
歡迎嚟到百明哥嘅 channel， 記得訂閱同埋撳個鐘仔。唔知道 Coldplay 嘅粉絲呢條影片，你哋又熟唔熟悉呢？嗱，喺1996年，一支嚟自英國嘅搖滾樂隊面世，當時仲係讀緊大學嘅幾位成員咧，最初組成一支樂隊係叫做 Starfish， 後嚟出咗道就改名，就係大家今時今日最熟悉嘅 Coldplay 啦。佢哋推出第一張專輯嘅時候，其中有一首歌係特別受歡迎嘅，呢隻歌就叫做 Yellow。到咗而家25年，仍然係代表作品之一，非常之有紀念價值。有趣嘅故事就係，據聞有一種講法咧，就係話主唱嘅 Chris Martin 咧喺 studio 見到佢個好朋友係黃色皮膚嘅，所以就啟發咗佢寫呢一首歌啦。但係真正嘅創作靈感 ，Chris Martin 咧就喺個節目訪問當中咧，亦都講過，佢話望到天上邊嘅繁星，由於佢嗰個郊外嘅 studio 咧，夜空係冇被城市嘅燈光所污染，星星咧係清楚可見。當時嘅製作人 Ken Nelson 咧喺休息嘅時候咧就同佢講啦
：Look at the star. He literally said, "Look at the stars," which is the first line of that song, and it was really mind-blowing. We've been in London for like 5 years, so we hadn't really seen anything beyond smog for a while.
無論歌詞本身，抑或個歌名 Yellow， 都係個美好嘅、正能量嘅、有希望嘅。藉着 Coldplay 開緊演唱會，百明哥今日想分享嘅歌就係 Yellow。Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things to do, and it was called Yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing you had done, and it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turning to something beautiful, and you know I love you so. You know I love you so. Across for you. Oh, what a things to do. 'Cause we're all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you. Oh, what a things to do. And it was all yellow. Something beautiful, and you know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. How they they shine for. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And not the thing that you do, 'cause we are all yellow. 我第一次聽呢一首歌呢，就嚟自2018年我睇過嘅一套電影裏邊，叫做《我的超豪男友》，由小說《瘋狂亞洲富豪》改編，一部由全亞裔演員演出嘅荷里活電影，包括奧斯卡影后楊紫瓊。原來呢套戲嘅導演朱浩偉呢，佢曾經表示過，從小呢就被歧視為 Yellow。電影裏邊總係稱呼一啲懦弱嘅人呢，就叫為 Yellow， 因此認為 Yellow 就係一個負面歧視我哋黃種人嘅字眼。直到聽到 Coldplay 嘅歌係讚美黃色黃種人，令佢希望透過呢一套電影呢係打破種族歧視。所以電影嘅片尾曲就用咗 Coldplay 嘅 Yellow 改編為中文版流星，由當時仲係19歲嘅 Catherine Ho 所演唱嘅。我好認同朱導演嘅觀點，更加欣賞 Yellow 裏邊嘅歌詞。咁呢一首歌呢，亦都可以令到大家重新思考自己黃種人嘅自我形象。鍾意條影片嘅就記得 CLSS comment like share subscribe。下條片見。